on the ridge line, it's not responding to the pedal, so I have a feeling it's gonna be something with the throttle. So turn it on, turn the AC off, and then I will push. I do it by hand. Push the gas. See, as I'm pushing all the way down, the RPM will not go, not even 3,000. Not even 3,000 RPM. So let's check the code. What it say? This okay, let's see. And you got a whole bunch of lights up there on too as well. So 2008 Honda Ridgeline 3.5, we're gonna say yes. I'll try giving gas again. Will not respond to the gas pedal. The car will not go past 40 miles per hour, but it will take like 5 minutes to reach 40 miles per hour. Your ABS light will be on, VSAV on, VTM-4, and of course the check engine light. And this thing is taking forever. It's communicating with everything on the car. Let's see. Alright, so press enter. This is slow. Okay, so finally we're here. Let's see what it says. Got 6 code, internal power supply, history, error network communication. We don't need none of. Okay, this is what we need right here. Throttle, actuator, control circuit, supply voltage, circle open, current, and then again, same thing. So when it says supply voltage, that means you either got a blown fuse or blown relay. It says 3 times. So let's turn it off. Let's go. Let's go pull the relay. That would be this relay right here. You hear that? It's a sign. It's bad. So just to make sure that's the problem, we can just grab this relay here, put it on, turn back in, and now we push the gas. You hear that? And that's it. Just get a relay, reset the code, you are done. Thank you. And here's the old one.